Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this electric lawnmower. This is equipped with a 40-volt brushless. It is a 14-inch cordless mower. Alright, so right here we have the Wild Badger. This is an electric lawnmower. It is equipped with a 40-volt brushless 14-inch lawnmower. It has a 14-inch cutting range, 5 level depths. It's 3,800 RPM speed with a 3-in-1 mowing mode. This also is rock resistant with a cast steel bit. You can work 30 minutes of running time. It is powered by a 40-volt 4-amp battery. So right here in the box you can see that this is the lawnmower itself. It does fold up. You can also unfold it. Right here is the charging block, and it also has the battery. So first off, this right here on the top is actually where the grass goes. So I'm just going to pop this out. You can see this is the bottom part of the lawnmower. It is a nice small size to get small areas. Even though it is really nicely powered, I would definitely say that this is a nice one. See right here, you just put these ones in here, not directly in there. You have 2 other poles that attaches to that. They have screws that you attach it to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out and start putting it together. It's super easy to put together. So you have these extra poles right here that goes right in there. And then you screw these ones here at the top, and it should look just like this. So the starter button is right at the top, and then you've got the hold down button, and in this black little casing, that is where you'll put your battery. This does come with 1 battery and 1 charger already included. And then you can see the wheels here. These are nice little wheels. It turns super easy, and it's not too heavy, so you can pick it up and take it with you. So there is a little vent on the side right here, and then this is the grass catcher, and then you got the vent right here, so if you have anything, it doesn't blow right out of there. So this is what it looks sideways. We're gonna go ahead and turn it to the back side. It is a really nice small lawnmower, not bad. It's super easy to pick up and take with you if you need to move it from one spot to another. It doesn't take up much room. This thing here does fold down. You just take the arms off. So right here is the top part. I'm just gonna go and grab the battery and also the charger. It doesn't take very long to charge up the battery, and it does give you 30 minutes of cutting time before you actually have to charge up the battery. So let me go ahead and grab the battery and the charger. Okay, right here is the charger and the plug. So this one here does have indications letting you know how much the battery is charged. The top one is for the green. Then they have some warning ones. This is where you'll just plug into your battery and then plug it into the wall. And then right here we have the 40-volt battery itself. This one here has a little weight to it, but it does do a really good job of using your mower and not dying so quickly. This is a Pro lithium ion battery, and then you just put it into your mower in the top. So I'm going to do is take this and I'm just going to put it into the mower. Going to lift this up right here and slides it right in just like this. So make sure that top part is facing upwards. So now I'm going to show you the blade on the bottom. So this is the side view. I'm going to turn it to the side. There is a blade. You can see that this is really nicely constructed, and it is rockless, so you don't have to worry about it chipping. There's 5 position heights adjustment, so you can choose between the difference of the heights. Gardening with harmony with your pets. This only has a 93 decibel level. It's got a 3-in-1 mowing mode that is collecting, rear discharging, and mulching. So right now my son is actually cutting the grass right now. You can see it's doing a really good job. I think we do have it on the higher setting, the 5th setting, or more like the 3rd setting, I'm sorry. So right here it's cutting the grass. You can see we have a lot of grass. We've had a lot of rain lately, so my grass is pretty high. So what better to test a new lawnmower than a grass that actually needs to be mowing. So you can see how it's cut it perfectly right there. And I like the fact that the bag in the back is not too big and it's super lightweight to take with you. You can just grab it. In fact, all the grass cuttings, I give it to my chickens and my ducks. So you can see it's easy turning right here. So my son is just going to go around and do a little bit more. So we have really high grass around here, especially with all the extra rains that we've been getting. But this does the job. It actually does pick it up. So again, you can do 30 minutes of lawn mowing before you have to actually charge the battery. So right here where it's a little bit deeper in the grass. It's cutting with no issues. I like this lawnmower because it's super lightweight. I like the fact that it holds all the grass. You can also choose from different methods of mulching. You can use it with the bag or without the bag. If you're looking for a nice electric lawnmower, I would definitely say check this one out. This one does a really good job of cutting your grass, especially you can see right here if it's long grass, it does get the job done, especially with those other big ones. It does the exact same thing. So I would definitely say check this one out.